parts in a Linux to avoid more part. I'll try always, but it is not happening anyway. Okay, so what is it? Copy and move. I already completed creation of directories like mkdir, creation of files using touch and cat greater, double greater kind of stuff. Okay, and also removing directories rmdir, removing file with rm, removing directory with rm space hyphen r, deleting a directory which contains something non-empty directories. Okay, also I told with hyphen f also. Okay, this part completed. Okay, so we'll see here. cp is a command to copy a file. So this is source. Okay, source means from where you are copying. So the source location or a source file. Okay, source, and you have to give destination. Okay, so if I said commands directly earlier, now you can see like you can learn like this also. Destination where you want to copy. So we'll go directly practical and we'll see what I done also. Now I'm in a present working directory. I'm in a student. My login is a student. My present working directory is // student only. So pwd // okay. Now put a ls. Can you see there's a lot of files and folders also showing like this. Okay. So I want to see that what is the tf1. tf1. Okay. Cat space tf1. So it contains so much of data. So some data is there. Okay. Some data is there in this file. Better we should use small file or something. Okay. This is tf1. Um, no. So we'll go to the small file pwd. So I'm in here. Ls. Okay, I will create new file then. I can create a new file, right? Uh, tf2 file. I'm creating a new file called a tf2 file. So this is tf2 file. Okay, so now control D. Now I saved it. Look at that file. This is tf2 file. So though that is a file content. Now I want to copy this file tf2 file as a tf22 file. Okay, I'm putting cp tf2 file, that is a content of tf2 file, and copying to tf22 file. I'm just copying. It means I'm creating a duplicate file here. Can you see there's a tf2 file is also there and tf22 file is also there. See, tf2 tf22 both are there. Earlier it is not there. Okay, earlier it is not there. Now only it is came. And you want to see the data inside a tf22. This is f2 file. See, the content of f2 tf2, content of the tf2 is same in the tf22 also. Why? Because I copied a file into another file. I created a duplicate file. Okay, so very simply say I copied same content file. This is one. Next, ls data one. So this is my directory, right? We know that one. Now cp tf2. I want to copy tf2 in data1 directory. When you are copying a file, when you are copying a file to a particular directory, always use slash. You know why we should use a slash? I will tell. Now I'm using like this. Okay, I'm not using the slash. Okay, I'm not using the slash. So just I'm type enter ls data one. You can see the file. The file is there. Same command I'm running like this. Okay, same command I'm running, but there is a data one. Here is a data five. Okay, now ls space data five is showing data five, not tf2. ls can see data 5 is showing data 5 is not a directory, it is a file now. Cat data 5, it's a file, not a directory. How come it is a directory? How come it is become a file? Because because data 1 is existed and data 1 is a directory, but data 5 is not existed as a directory. So then automatically tf2, while it is copying to data 5, it is creating data 5 file, and the data is copied here. Understand? So data 5 is not there, the directory is not there. So system don't know about that information, like what is my feeling. You don't know, it understand command. You don't understand my feelings, right? Okay. What I thought, what I said, it won't understand. It understand only command. So it will verify it's a data 5 directory is there. No directory. So what I did is done, it thought you want to create a file, data 5. So it created a data 5 file and also copy the tf2 content to data 5 file. So that is happened here. Okay, no problem. Hmm, cp tf2 data 6, for example, and I put a slash. Now I put a slash. No, not a directory. Means cannot create a regular file data 6 slash, not a directory. So data 6 directory not there. Data 6 directory is not there, and it won't create data 6 file also. Like data 5 directory is not there, and it create data 5 as a file. Okay, so data 6 directory is not there, and data 6 directory file is not creating here. Why? Because I use the slash. Next, also I copy to data 1, right? So I use a tf2 copy to data 1, but I didn't use slash notation. I didn't use a slash after data 1. I didn't use slash. Okay, no problem. So what happened? System will search for a data 1 directory. Of course, data 1 directory is already there, so it is copy the file into that directory. So this slash will avoid a confusion between directory and files. Slash indicates it's a directory. Data 1 is a directory. Data 6 is a directory. The slash indicates it's a directory. Copy the data inside a directory. Okay, already I copied, of course. So try to understand how to copy here. So what I done is the control D also shows like this. The meaning is control D. Don't do blindly. Okay. Now I am going to copy TF2 to TF2. Okay. Now cat. CF double two. Next, CP PF2 PF2 to data 1 slash CP PF2 data 1 directory is already there. I created data 1 directory. If you want, you can create it or verify. Okay, data is directory already there. Data 5 directory is not there. Data 6 directory also not there, but I told data 6 is directory. Here I didn't tell data 5 is directory. Automatically think it's a file. So data 1 directory is existing, so it is copied into data 1 directory. Even if you don't give a slash, no problem here. But in these conditions, compulsory try to give like this. Try to habituate it to give slash. So then we will understand that is a directory. This is a simple copying files. Next, you can copy a certain files into the different locations. For example, I want to copy CF1 file, CP CF1 in data 1. I want to copy. So I copied it, so we have to verify. I copied CF1. If I want to copy a specific files like 2 comma 5, only two files I want to copy into data 1. Want to copy CF2 and CF5, only two files. Check CF2 and CF5 is copied. So you can represent something like a variable like CF2 and CF5 like this. You can able to mention also. Okay, there are a lot of things also available like CP. Like you can put it CF 6 dot dot 10 to data 1. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 files are copied successfully. But 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 3, 4 is missing, but we copied all the things. Okay. So this is how we can able to copy a file from our current location to the some other location. Two different locations also we can able to copy. For example, what is the data in data 1 slash da1? Da1 is a directory, right? So there is a file in a da1. Okay, now I want to copy data 1 slash da1 directory to data 2. Directly I want to copy da1 directory. Da1 directory. Enter. So it is showing some error. Omitting directory da1 slash sorry data1 slash da1. Also try to check data 2. Nothing is copied. So that AF1 file is not copied. DA1 directory also not copied. It is already there. DA2. CP hyphen R data1 slash DA1 data2 slash. Now it is not showing error. Omitting directory data1 slash DA1, that kind of error is not showing. But we have to verify whether it is worked or not. See, in my data2, DA1 directory is also added. See, here not added. Now it is DA1 directory is also came. So I copied the entire directory. So to copy the directory a entire directory into some location. So you have to use hyphen r. The hyphen r means here recursive. Usually hyphen capital R, and sometimes in hyphen r in our situation here meaning is recursive. Okay, few symbols almost like same kind of stuff. Sometimes it work like a reverse, sometimes it work like a recursive. Rm space hyphen r recursive. CP space hyphen r recursive. There is some announcement is going on, but I don't understand anything. It's okay. Okay, this is a recursive mode of copying. I got lot of files. Uh, it's okay now, Balance. So we'll see in the next part. I told about data 6, right? So that is completed. Now data 6. So where are we after data 6? From here to here. So this is recursive mode of I'm copy DA1 directly to here instead of copying content. If you want to copy the content, you have to use a slash. That content part I will show you in a move command. Okay. Next is a MV. MV is for moving the file from one location to another location. Also, we can do renaming stuff also. Then go to LS, find out anything. cat20, that is a file name. The cat20 file has a data name is 10. Now it is 20, right? So what I want to do is MV 20 is a file name. I want to put F20 file 20. 20 means people are not understanding properly. So I use a F20. LS. Where is 20? Where is F20 first of all? It is here. See, F20 is there. Okay. So LS, sorry, cat20 not there. Cat F20 is there. See, that is how you can able to move. Means renaming. Also, you can rename the directories also. You can rename the directories also. For example, ls space data2. You can see da1 and da2 directory. I have a data2 directory. mv data2 data12 data21. For example, now ls there is a data. This is a data1, and where is the data2? It gone. It become a data21. So like that we can move. Means we can rename the directories old name and new name. That's it. Next, here I want to move certain data into data21. Okay, I want to move some data from here. For example, mv CF1 data to 1. That's the name, current name. Name is changed, right? Now it is successfully moved. LS. Where is CF1? Gone from here. LS data 21. So I successfully copied CF1 file from my location. I cut it, pasted it. Next. MV CF star data to 1. What happened? So, okay, not CF star, CF question mark, CF question mark. No, no, no. I will show you the question mark thing. Put a star only. Now, what will happen? All CF things gone from the system. Okay, CF 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All are gone to where it gone? LS space data 21. It cut from there, pasted to here. Okay, which is not here. So this is how we can able to use move. We can move a directory also. We can move a directory also. Okay. For example, ls space data21 contains a directory. Can you see da2 directory? ls space data1 directory. In data1 only da1 is there. No da2. Da2 is not there. Okay. So so what we can able to it? ls space data21 slash da2. It is also contains a file. Da2 contains a file. Okay, anyway, got the point. In data21 I have a da2 da1 directories. In data1 I have a da1 directory, but I don't have a da2 directory. Okay, now what I'm going to do is mv data21 slash da2 data1 only. So you need to specify uh, everything. Okay, just to tell, automatically it will move. So ls space data21. Where is the data1? Data1 is there. Data2 is gone. Earlier it is there. See, it is ls data21 da1 da2 is there. ls data21 da1 da2 is not there. Why? I moved that directory to data1 ls data1. So you can see data2 came to here. Sorry, da2 came to here in the data1. So I moved it successfully. Full folder I moved it. Okay. So this is how move command will work. Copy, move. Guys, you must complete the practicals. Still people are saying installations pending, pinging. Of course, issue is there. I already told you, ask me, then I will solve it. If you delay, we may get a problem. Not only you, you know already it is this month ending is you have to finish everything, interview questions. So at least 1 or 2 days for a preparation. Things we have to discuss. Copying files, moving files, must practice. Okay, so this is the part.